Hi, this is GT40, just giving an update on my PM45 CNC mill conversion running DMM Tech servos. Just added this IMachIII M1 Pendant, 80 bucks. Got the cable management under control, getting ready to plumb the one-shot oiler. And let's go ahead and see how this pendant works. Okay, go ahead and start off by referencing home on all three axes. So I get everything all set. So DRO is at 0, indicated is 0. So we're going to go ahead and jog the x-axis, and we'll just go ahead and let's go, I don't know, let's go 16 inches. So one of the things that's neat about the pendant is when you get close, you can switch it into step mode. And as you can see, clicks off thousandths. Alright. Now, 16009 indicated and 16008 actual. So not too bad. And not sure which is worse, the DRO can't resolve or not. Now let's see what we got for backlash. Okay, go ahead and hit 0. Go return to 0. And so that moved. And yeah, so not too bad, roughly 2 10,000ths for backlash. So pretty happy. Thanks for looking.